Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I will share with you a very super early airdrop, as you can see, called Fogo Chain. As you can see, it already raised around 13.5 million funding from investors, and it marks as a potential airdrop. So I think you should join because the joining process is very easy, which I tell you later. So now if you are new to our channel, then for all airdrops and crypto updates, you can visit our Telegram channel. Also, you can check our blog where we post latest updates related to crypto. So all the links are in the description, so check them out. Now let's move on the video. As you can see in their Twitter handle, they have over 32k followers and they are quite active to build a strong community. If you visit their website, then you can see lots of information about their project. So what is Fogo Chain? Fogo Chain is a new layer 1 blockchain built on Solana's virtual machine. It uses the Fire Dancer client to deliver super fast transactions, low fees, and high scalability. Think of it as a high performance blockchain designed for real-time stuff like trading or apps. And also you can find there lots of information. You can check their website. So how you can join their airdrop? It's a pretty simple. First, head to their Discord, then accept the invite, click verify, and you need to solve the captcha. Type it, submit, and you are verified. Next, click to claim roles and click fire starter, and you are done. That's it. I'll keep you updated as new stuff rolls out, so subscribe and turn on that notification bell. If you like this video, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.